In this video, I'll guide you through how to access the WordPress dashboard from your Namecheap cPanel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to log in as the admin, even if you don't remember your WordPress username or password. First, start by signing into your Namecheap account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Namecheap dashboard. This is the central area where you can manage your domains, hosting plans, and other services, and it's the starting point for getting into your WordPress dashboard. From here, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled Hosting List. Go ahead and click on that. The hosting list page shows all of the hosting plans connected to your account. If you have more than one, you'll see them all here. If you only have a single hosting plan, you'll just see that one listed. Next, find the specific hosting plan that's associated with the WordPress site you want to manage. On the right side of that hosting plan, you'll see a button that says Go to cPanel. Click that button. This will open your cPanel, which is the control panel for your hosting account. It may take a few seconds to load, especially the first time, so just give it a moment. Once you're inside cPanel, you'll see a lot of different icons and sections for managing your website and server settings. What you're looking for is the WordPress Manager by Softaculous icon. The exact position can vary depending on your hosting layout, so scroll down slowly and scan for the WordPress Manager label. It's usually grouped with other application or software installers. When you find WordPress Manager by Softaculous, click on that icon. This opens a dedicated area that lists the WordPress installations associated with your cPanel account. At the top right of this WordPress Manager page, you'll see an Installations button. It often looks like a small box or grid icon. Click on the Installations button to reveal all the WordPress sites currently installed under this hosting account. You should now see a list of websites, each representing a separate WordPress installation. If you have multiple sites, take a moment to identify the one you want to work with by checking the domain name or folder path shown in the list. Once you've found the correct website, look across that row for an option that lets you log in directly as the admin. This is usually shown as a small icon labeled Login as Admin or a similar phrase. Click that icon. Softaculous will automatically log you into the WordPress dashboard for that specific site without you needing to type in your WordPress username or password. After a few seconds, you'll be redirected into your WordPress admin area, also known as the WordPress dashboard. From here, you can create or edit posts and pages, change your theme, install plugins, and manage all the settings for your site. That's all you need to do to access the WordPress dashboard from your Namecheap cPanel. Go to your Namecheap dashboard, open your hosting list, launch cPanel, use WordPress Manager by Softaculous, view your installations, and then log in as the admin for your chosen site.